it's me again. And I have January snack crate that didn't arrive until yesterday. See? Now, my past two I had drinks with them. But this one, I opened it up and I got this. Apparently the drinks were all damaged during shipping. So, the drink looked really good though. Oh, by the way, it's from Holland. The drink is supposed to be chocomel, which is a Dutch favorite for over 75 years. This creamy chocolate milk is delicious when chilled, but is equally tasty when hot with whipped cream. I love my chocolate, and I'm so sad that I didn't get this drink. But, like, for the Sweden one, I'm gonna give you one fact. Dutch people are the tallest in the world. That's great. Okay. So now on to our nifty little, the traditional packaging. Oh look, bubbles. And we have more chips. Now let's see what kind of chip flavor this is. This is Lay's patate au beef flavor. It's a potato chip flavored like Holland's infamous sauce, available in most fast food restaurants, invented by a woman named Hoppy in the early 2000s. Well, I don't know what their infamous sauce is, so let's try it. That's an odd taste. I have a hair by my mouth, but I don't know where it's at exactly. Next we have Smolties UFOs. Oh, it would help if I kept a hand on it. It wasn't such a butterfinger. Ha ha ha. Laugh at my joke. But yeah, it's these lovely things. Now let's see what these are. Little biscuits topped with chocolate and candies. No Dutch childhood would be complete without them. Terrific. I have another guest. Dog just wants food. I'm gonna pop the bubble wrap this time to get it to go away. Oh, they're cute. But they're not. I don't know what to think about those. And then we have this. Osterhaus Kermistok. Whatever that is. It's a cinnamon flavored candy in the shape of a stick, typically sold at carnivals in the Netherlands. That's fun. Let's try it. If I can find how to open. There is how one opens things. Yeah. Oh boy. That's a lot of cinnamon. Ooh. Okay. Next up we have the Stroop waffles. Yeah. And these are, where are you? There they are. These amazing Dutch cookies consist of a thin layer of caramel-like syrup sandwiched between two wafers. Cool. Let's try it. That's good. And last but not least, these Hopjes. It won't focus. That's lovely. A Dutch sweet with a slight coffee and caramel flavor that originated in the 18th century. Why haven't I tried this first? My guest doesn't want to leave me alone. Please ignore dog. Dog is staring at candy. That's a hard candy. But it's so good. My favorite out of this has to be the thing that I just put in my mouth. These nifty little Hopjes, or however you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I extremely butcher languages. It's not my first. But yeah, I'll see you when February's comes out. Bye everybody. Sorry I'm so awkward.